The average Toyota, Honda, or Nissan owner spends between $400 and $700 fixing the same headlights twice a year. Not because the problem is complicated, because every kit, every detail shop, and every dealership service uses chemistry that sits on the surface of your lens and weathers away on a predictable schedule. Yellowed headlights cut your night visibility by up to 80%. The fix costs under $2. Nobody selling you the $700 solution wants you to know that. Number 5 costs you between $30 and $75 every single time you fall for it, and the shelves at every AutoZone and Walmart are stacked with this trap. The retail headlight polishing kit. You spot the packaging, see the before and after photos of a cloudy 2018 Honda Civic lens turning crystal clear, and your brain says, this is the smart, affordable fix. The betrayal inside every one of these kits is that they all operate on the same broken principle. They sand away the degraded outer surface of your polycarbonate lens, then lay a coating on top of freshly exposed plastic that never penetrates the material. Consumer Reports testing confirmed it weathers away in 5 to 7 months. Across every brand tested without exception, you are not buying clarity. You are buying a subscription to a money pit that bills you 3 times per year. Amazon reviews for Meguiar's Plastex and the 3M Headlight Lens Restoration Kit show hundreds of 1-star posts from 2021 through 2024. Everyone describing the same story. Brilliant results for 3 weeks, then haze returning worse than before because aggressive sanding exposed deeper polycarbonate that now oxidizes faster. At $75 per treatment and 3 treatments per year, your annual headlight bill quietly hits $225 for a product with a designed-in expiry date. The kit was never meant to solve your problem. It was meant to repeat it. Number 4 extracts between $400 and $700 from your account per visit, while delivering the exact same failing result as that $30 kit in fancier packaging. The dealership restoration service. When your 2020 Nissan Sentra rolls in with lenses the color of old amber, the service advisor hands you words like machine polished and UV sealed, and a branded invoice that makes everything feel professional and permanent. What that invoice never discloses is that the chemistry underneath the dealership logo is identical to the chemistry inside the retail kit you left on the shelf. NHTSA data documents headlight degradation as a recurring issue across more than 40 vehicle models produced between 2015 and 2023, and dealerships have processed millions of restoration invoices for a procedure their own technicians know will fail inside 6 months. Toyota and Honda owner forums from 2022 and 2023 are filled with the same story. $600 paid in January. Haze returning by July. Another $600 quoted before summer ends. Your dealership did not fix your problem. It just put an expensive timestamp on when your regret would arrive. Number 3 is UV blocking headlight film, priced between $80 and $150 per lens, and it teaches one of the costliest lessons in automotive care, that protecting damage and fixing damage are completely different things. The pitch sounds intelligent because blocking UV at the surface level makes mechanical sense, so you approve the $300 job on your 2021 Honda Accord. Convinced you are finally making a smart long-term investment, the trap is that the film installs directly over existing oxidation rather than correcting it, sealing the damage beneath a laminate instead of reversing it. Google reviews from detail shops across the US and Southeast Asia in 2023 show consistent reports of film edges lifting on vehicles parked in temperatures above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, covering most of the American South, the Middle East, and large portions of Asia where Japanese cars dominate. When that film lifts on your Accord, moisture locks underneath and accelerates the exact oxidation. The film was meant to stop, leaving your lenses worse than before with a shop ready to quote you a fresh film job on top of a new restoration. You spent $300 to make your money pit deeper. Laminating a problem is not solving one. Number 2 carries a failure rate so consistent that independent fleet maintenance records document it without a single exception. the professional rubbing compound and surface sealant combination. This is what detail shops charge a premium for, what fleet managers budget into quarterly maintenance, and what millions of tutorials walk you through for your 2016 Nissan Altima or 2018 Toyota RAV4. The morning after, a professional compound application looks genuinely close to factory clarity, and for 5 months you feel like you finally beat the system. Then month 6 arrives. Fleet maintenance logs from commercial operators running Japanese vehicle pools, documented across multiple operator reports published between 2022 and 2024, show a pattern with 0 exceptions. Every surface-level sealant method failed within that same 5 to 7 month window, regardless of product quality or application technique. For a fleet of 5 vehicles paying $120 per restoration twice annually, that is $200 per year, for a result that never lasted a single winter. Professional execution of fundamentally broken chemistry is still fundamentally broken chemistry. Number 1. Is the mistake costing you up to $450 every year on a loop the industry engineered with 0 financial incentive to stop? Treating polycarbonate with any product that sits on the surface instead of working into the lens material itself. Every kit, every dealership invoice, every detail shop procedure shares this single fatal flaw. UV radiation does not just damage the outer surface of your lens. It degrades the polycarbonate structure at a level surface sealants cannot reach, scattering your headlight beam and destroying your night visibility while the coating on top weathers away in months. What automotive maintenance communities and independent testers have documented repeatedly is that standard petroleum jelly, available at any pharmacy for under $2, outperforms every surface kit in long-term retention. 2 thin coats applied 48 hours apart, followed by 1 maintenance coat every 3 months, is the protocol that consistently eliminates headlight haze in real-world owner testing and holds up across seasonal temperature swings in ways that no retail kit or dealership service has ever matched. The financial math is a betrayal. Up to $450 per year on products engineered to expire versus under $2 per year on petroleum jelly, with documented long-term results reported across owner communities in the US, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. The restoration industry built its entire revenue model on the certainty that you would never learn this one fact. If this video saved your wallet today, subscribe to this channel right now and hit the bell so you never miss a trick that saves you money. Drop a comment below and tell us which country you are watching from. We want to know exactly where in the world our community is growing.